Oh, crap. The Reds are here. What? Caboose, why didn't you say anything? Hey, why you guys turn me around? I still can't move my legs. What were you doing down there? Nothing. What are you talking about?
We were just playing a game.
Hey, Caboose, we'll handle this. What in the hell is going on at this base?
I told you these guys were weird.
What do you want, Reds? Get out of here or we'll start shooting at you. Oh, yeah? You care to make that threat to my face? No. Yeah, I didn't think so, punk.
Whoa. Calm down, guys. We didn't come here to fight. We just came to give back the prisoner.
Give him back? You can't give him back. You took him. A deal's a deal. Yeah, well, forget it. We don't want him. Well, sorry. You can't have another prisoner. That was our last one. Hey, dude, what is your problem?
Didn't your mama ever tell you it's impolite not to look at someone when you're talking to them?
He's shy. Shut up. Look, we don't want him back, and we don't care what you do with him. If you don't mind, we'd appreciate it if you'd leave us alone. We're in the middle of something kind of private over here. That's sad. He is shy.
Fine, but don't come asking for him back later.
We won't. Last chance. Beat it, Reds. All right, we're going. Man, I thought our team was obnoxious, but those guys are really rude.
Whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Back to base with you guys. They don't want me over there.
Yeah, I don't think so.
What? You're not just gonna leave me out here in the middle of nowhere? By myself?
Yeah, that's kind of the general idea.
Not you too, right, Griff? Old buddy? Huh?
Sorry, it's pretty clear that you're not very popular around here, and if I'm going to make any progress at all, I can't be directly associated with you. I'm sure you understand. What's going on? Are they there? Did they leave? Hey, somebody tell me what's happening. I don't know. I can't really see too clearly. I bet I could see better if I had that sniper rifle. Tucker, you might want to look behind you. Motherfucker!
Church. Okay, I see something. Okay. The two red ones are walking away. But the purple one is...
I think he's going to attack.
Purple? Oh, wait, but the purple guy's that worthless medic. He's not gonna attack. He's a pussy fest. Pacifist. Whatever. Let's tie him up and roll him through the teleporter. Wait a second. Think about this for a minute. Why would the Reds leave him out there by himself? This has to be some kind of trick.
I'll bet they've used some kind of brainwashing technique on him. They're probably planning to have him do all their dirty plans. And also the schemes.
Caboose, that is ridiculous.
Is it? Or is it so ridiculous? It's the most ridiculously perfect idea that you never thought of.
No, just the regular kind of ridiculous. We'll just keep your eye on him. We'll know it's a trick if he tries to get into our base.
Hey guys! Do you think I could come hang out at your base for a while?
I knew it. We're all gonna die.
Starting with you.
Sorry, but we're kind of busy here. So go away. Or something.
Normally I wouldn't impose. It's just that I don't know the neighborhood too well.
Listen, Doc. You're not fooling anybody with that innocent victim routine.
Hey, I could help. I know